everybody. It's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner
Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I'm just popping on tonight real briefly. I want to share two concepts with you and then just give you a little update on my daughter. And those of you that don't know, she has had a severe allergic reaction to what we don't know. We have no idea what she is reacting to, but over the last month, each reaction has gotten progressively worse. It started off with hives and itching, so of course we're treating it with Benadryl, and that was helping, and those symptoms would go away, and then we'd have another exposure to whatever it is, and that turned into the lip swelling and the face swelling and stuff, which also would resolve itself and with some Benadryl and so on and so forth. And this morning when she woke up, her entire face was swollen. Eyes, nose, lips, face, her neck, everything. And of course I just went into panic mode because I don't, that's angioedema from we don't know what, which will cut off your airway. So they did admit her to the ICU unit, step down unit, which is one level below ICU, so that they could monitor her and keep an eye on her. She's been given the entire arsenal for allergy treatment, and we're in the trying to find out mode right now to see what she is allergic to, so that we can get rid of whatever it is, because we have no clue what she's reacting to. I just know this is the 5th or 6th reaction that she's had, and each time it's gotten progressively worse. So I wasn't going to wait on a 7th time. I went on and took her to the ER, and they admitted her to the ICU unit, step down unit, and she's doing good. I've talked to her, I sat with her, we're taking turns. So I came home for a little basket therapy, because y'all know I love making my baskets and everything, but it is also very therapeutic for me. Alright, so I'm just going to show you these two concepts that I did, and you all continue to keep her in your prayers, and I will continue to keep you updated on where we are at. She's more concerned about selling my baskets than she is about her allergies, and I'm looking at her like, girl, I will leave every single basket in this shed for my children. Okay, so I had to stomp on that song, because we don't care about baskets right now. Yes, I hope that things continue to get better, so that we can continue on our journey and on our path. But if we have to derail, side rail, or whatever the case may be, that is what we will do, you all. So in the meantime, I'm going to continue to make baskets and things, because if I can't get out Mother's Day because my daughter takes a turn for the not so good, or just to make sure she's okay, I'm okay with that. I am. So I'm going to share these two concepts with you. So I was able to get the mugs from the Dollar Tree. Alright, and this one says, Grandma's the name, spoiling's the game. And I know y'all have seen these already. Alright, I also was able to get the City Trends and pick up a haul. I will share that haul with you all tomorrow night on the live, if I get to go live. Right now, my plan is to go live. But the wallet was $1 at City Trends on sale. I was on their clearance. Alright, this is one of the Paris Hilton hand lotions that came in the 4 lotion set. So I just broke that set up, and I put one of the lotions here. And if you remember, the other 2 lotions are in the paint set. Those sip and paint sets I did. Alright, so I put the Paris Hilton here. This one is the strawberry champagne hand cream, and I thought it went with the mug really well as color wise. Alright, and then on the back I put the bubble mask, and these are the bubble masks from Dollar Tree. Alright, and that is the whole concept for this. Alright, we're just doing the wallet, bubble mask, hand lotion, and the cup. Alright, Very cute little gift for grandma. I like it. All right, and then we did one for mom, which I've got to get my shred in. And this one is the sweet vanilla. All right, this wallet also came from City Trends. It was $1. And then we have a bubble mask on this one as well. The mugs, when I got these mugs, had just come in when I picked them up at Dollar Tree. They were still in the box, and the lady was nice enough to go ahead and open the box for me so that I could take some out and get the ones that I wanted. So that's what I did. And these are the two concepts for these mugs. All right. So you just tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will keep you updated on my daughter and what is transpiring with her. But you all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye.
It's the crafty corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live.
Hi, everybody.
Doing our
It's
thing
Katrina.
for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping halls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well.